Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're going to check out the Cromwell here at the center strip here on the Las Vegas Strip. It's a Caesars property, and it just opened today, so we're going to check it out and see how business is. Now that the Cromwell reopened, Caesars has designated it a adults-only hotel and casino, meaning you have to be 21 to enter the building. And they also have the Giada Restaurant here, Giada from the Food Network. Has a great restaurant that overlooks the Bellagio fountains across the street. We'll see if that's open, as well as Drai's nightclub. We'll see if that's open as well. Follow me, let's check it out. This lucite martini glass is a great photo opportunity. They even put in a lucite shelf if you'd like to sit down right inside the glass. And here we have a little sign for the Giada Restaurant that's one flight up, and we're going to visit Giada. Giada is open, so we're going to check out the restaurant upstairs before this video's over. So the Cromwell is one of the smallest, if not the smallest, hotel and casino on the Las Vegas Strip. They don't have too many choices as far as restaurants or shops, but they do have this place called Eat Well, and the website says, need a quick meal? Grab a tasty bite at Eat Well's inside the Cromwell. This casual walk-up counter is where to go if you're looking for a gourmet snack or a light meal at any time of the day. It's the perfect spot for a nosh on tacos, pizza, and more. Plus, Eat Well proudly serves Starbucks coffee to get you caffeinated in the morning. And as many of you know, a coffee maker is nowhere to be found in Las Vegas hotel rooms. Good news, bad news about the Cromwell is, well, there's really not much to do here in this hotel and casino. So I'm glad they made it an adults only, because if you had kids, they would be going crazy. As a matter of fact, some adults are going crazy in here as well, because like I said, no shopping, not too many restaurants outside of Giada. And then there's Drai's, which is actually one of the hottest nightclubs and one of the hottest beach clubs on the Las Vegas Strip. But unfortunately, it's still closed. But the good thing about the Cromwell is it's located center strip, so it's in the middle of everything as far as activity. If you want to check out the Bellagio fountains and Caesar's Palace, right across the strip. Lots of stuff to do around this hotel and casino, just not much to do inside the hotel and casino. But if that's the kind of place you're looking for, a quiet adults type kind of hotel and casino, this might be the place for you considering all the activity around it. The Cromwell kind of reminds me of a European hotel and casino, whereas if you're not into gambling and sleeping in the hotel, well, you need to go back outside.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
So we're heading towards the back of the Cromwell, which has a nice valet and Uber pickup area. And on the left here, we're going to see the sports book here, one of the smallest sports books here on the Las Vegas Strip, or in Las Vegas in general. But it's intimate, so if you're looking to bet on some sports and you don't like a big crowd around you and a bazillion monitors, this might be nice. It's not distracting. It's a nice place to gamble on some games and check things out. And on the left here as well, we're coming across Curios, which is one of the only shops here in the Cromwell. It's kind of like a convenience store with some drinks and some souvenirs. But what really caught my attention were these ceramic dogs that were painted very colorful colors. And wanted to bring a whole bunch of them home, but they were very expensive and very fragile. Didn't quite work out. So if you're staying at the Cromwell and you have a rent-a-car or you're catching an Uber or a taxi somewhere around town, this is where you come, to the back of the hotel. There's really no access to the front of the hotel for motor vehicles. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. What we're looking at here is Bound Cocktail Lounge, and the website says invite your closest friends and spend an elegant evening at Bound, the Cromwell's sophisticated lobby bar. Located right between the hotel check-in and retail shop, Bound takes your Las Vegas bar experience to a new level of class. The subtle lighting and gold and dark tones create a warm, intimate feel. Plush seating and curtains surround the bar, providing an intimate vibe. Bound's crowning centerpiece is its chic, circular bar. This little room or area called the Abbey is the high-limit slots area. Now, I mentioned Drai's earlier, Drai's nightclub in the video, and Drai's actually has 4 venues here at the Cromwell. The first one would be Drai's Beach Club Las Vegas. Swim, dance, and party on the Cromwell's rooftop deck at Drai's Beach Club Las Vegas pool party Friday through Sunday. Again, these are still closed, so keep that in mind if you're coming here. And then there's Drai's Pool at the Cromwell, reopening March 2020. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Relax and soak up the sun Monday through Thursday at Drai's Pool at the Cromwell, located on the resort's 11th floor rooftop deck. Then there's Drai's Nightclub Las Vegas. Drai's Nightclub Las Vegas features 65,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor partying space. Again, closed. Finally, there's Drai's After Hours Las Vegas nightclub. The excitement doesn't have to stop when Drai's Beach Club nightclub closes. Located in the Cromwell's basement level, this posh Las Vegas After Hours club is a hotspot for partygoers craving the see and be seen action. So the big draws here at the Cromwell are obviously the 4 Drai's clubs as well as the Giada Restaurant. Other than that, it's just a casino and a hotel. So once those places get open, Giada is open as a matter of fact, and once the Drai's clubs get open, I think there's going to be a lot more traffic in this hotel. These escalators lead up to Giada Restaurant, and we'll take a quick look once we get upstairs. This charming Las Vegas restaurant welcomes diners with warm colors, comfortable furniture, and natural lighting thanks to the restaurant's huge retractable windows. Guests can eat in the dining room or lounge, boasting breathtaking views of the Bellagio fountains and Caesar's Palace. The menu consists of Italian cuisine with refreshing Californian influences and a wine selection that has earned Wine Spectator's 2019 Best of Awards of Excellence. Menu items include lemon spaghetti, chicken cacciatore, Marsala herb chicken meatballs, rosemary focaccia, and lemon flatbread, and vegetable bolognese rigatoni. Giada adds a lighter touch to all her dishes while staying true to the classic Italian recipes. I'll leave a link to the Cromwell, Giada, and the Drai's nightclubs in the description below. And that's it for the Cromwell, a very sophisticated adults-only hotel and casino. Not much to do here, but surrounded by plenty of things to do. I got a lot of street acts to close my videos out on my last trip in Vegas, so you're going to see a lot more coming, as well as the, haven't forgotten the Showgirls and the Chippendale guys, so just stay tuned. You'll see a lot more new stuff coming at the end of my videos.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.